I recently purchased this awesome little gadget for the kitchen, and it is a under cabinet jar opener. So if you have arthritis or you're just having a tough time opening up any kind of jar, or if you have one with just a stubborn lid in particular, this is going to be a great tool for you. It mounts up underneath the cabinet and you just slide the jar in and give it a twist. It's also super low profile with some sharp grabbing edges. You won't see it underneath the cabinet, and really what you do is just take the jar and slide it in until it catches those sharp edges and give it a twist. It'll fit jars up to 5.5 inches in diameter, and while I didn't have one that I could show you that size in the video, I do have one later on I'm going to show that was very stuck, and this little thing handled it no problem. Ultimately, this will be mounted with the provided screws. There's 2 long and 1 short, but in order to get that started, they do provide a 2-sided sticky back. Basically, you'll pull one side off and go ahead and get it mounted on there as crooked as you can. Sorry for that. I was trying to get it on here while I was filming, but then you're going to peel the other side to place it underneath the cabinet, and that's going to hold it in place while you go ahead and get the provided screws installed. And once you've decided on the optimal location in your kitchen, you'll come in here and go ahead and peel off the other side of the sticky backing, and then make sure that the front of your cabinet is open to the pie shape here, basically so you can slide the jar in to go ahead and get it in place, kind of center cabinet, and then get that stuck on there, and that's going to hold it while you go ahead and come back with the screws. And pre-drilling it with a smaller drill bit before installing the screws might be a good option. I was able to do it without that. Just make sure you're not over tightening. You'll do the 2 long on these first 2 sections and then the short screw here up front. And then this thing is mounted solid. It's not going to go anywhere. You'll be able to go ahead and use it right away. But the really cool feature about this is you can use it one-handed if it's just something small. But if you have a heavier jar or something that's a little more stuck on like you see here, this one's kind of gummed up, you can come in here with 2 hands, and it just makes it so much easier to get these stubborn lids loose. This one I couldn't get off by hand, and honestly it was the reason that I bought this product to begin with. The super nice thing about this product is it's very low profile. You can't see it even when you're looking at an eye level. The lip of the cabinet will keep it hidden, and this product will eliminate the need to have a separate jar opener rolling around somewhere in your junk drawer that you can never find. And also the screws don't come up through the bottom of the cabinet, so that's great news. But ultimately this is a super cool and easy project to install. If you have someone or if yourself is having any issues opening jars, definitely check this out. I'll have a link for it in the description. If you have any questions about the install or this product in general, just leave those in the comments below and I'll try to get back to you as soon as I can. In the meanwhile, thanks for tuning in, and I hope to see you on the next video. Alright, peace.